For Build Your Willys, this is Willys Jeep Glass, Split Windshield Installation. Today on Build Your Willys, we'll be looking at Mike MEDITZ's 1946 Willys CJ2A from KaiserWillys.com. We're going to be looking at how to install glass and weather seals. The first step is we're going to have to free the inner windshield by removing the windshield adjusting arms. Then we're going to remove all of the hardware that holds the inner windshield into the upper hinged part of the windshield frame. Now we're going to dry fit the inner windshield frame to glass weather seal. The next step is to take that weather seal and wrap it around your new piece of windshield glass. If you are looking for a new replacement windshield glass for 1941 through 71 military and civilian Jeeps, we do carry that, as well as all of the 1946 through 64 Willys station wagon windows, the quarter, fixed, and the rear back glass if you need it, as well as 1946 through 64 Willys trucks. This does include all of the glass that goes for the FC-150 and the 170. If you have a Jeepster or a Jeepster Commando, we have glass that will fit that as well. As you can see, the next step to this glass installation is you're going to need to take a razor and cut this 45 on all four corners of your new replacement glass. Now what we're going to do is we're going to spray lubricant inside the inner windshield frame, and what this is going to do is allow the rubber weather seal to slide down and seat properly inside the frame. Now that we've had a spray lubricant in there, what you're going to do is you're going to take your new windshield glass and you're going to slide it into the channels inside the inner frame windshield. If you do have any questions about this installation or any other Willys Jeep questions, please give us a call at 1-888-648-4923 or email Mike at KaiserWillys.com. All of our new replacement glass is made right here in the USA, so please allow 1 to 2 weeks for delivery. Now that you've got your piece of windshield glass inside the frame, using a dead blow hammer, you can hit the top of the glass, as you can see, using a piece of rubber to protect the glass from the hard plastic or wood. When you are doing your restoration for your 1941 through 7 Willys or Jeep, if you need any information, we do have a tech guide at the top of KaiserWillys.com full of all kinds of general specs, service manuals, lubrication charts, and interactive diagrams to help you out. Now that your new windshield glass feels seated, check to make sure that the weather seal and the glass are seated properly inside the inner frame. To install the windshield frame rubber weather seal, you're going to have to slide it into the outer channels of the inner windshield frame itself. To get your free parts catalog, go to www.kaiserwillys.com. Using a hard piece of plastic or wood, shimmy the bottom of the weather seal into the outer channel of the inner windshield frame. Now that you've got your rubber weather seal installed inside your channel, hold it up to your windshield frame and dry fit it to see where it needs to be cut. Now cut the rubber weather seal to the desired length. And finally, after you've installed all your glass, weather seals, inner and outer, go back and install it into your frame with all of the hardware. To order your new replacement glass, go to www.kaiserwillys.com.